an easy call for the Supreme Court, consistent with their decision on abortion rights. They're going to leave it to the states. The same argument in regard to equal protection doesn't extend that far, and as a result, they're going to kick it back down, or they're going to give it to the states, and that's probably, given the Supreme Court makeup, where it should be.
Is that the future of a lot of these cases that are in the headlines, if you want to use the word controversial?
Yeah, until the Democrats get their stuff together and you have a new Supreme Court nominees or appointees, the Supreme Court has spoken. Whether it's DEI or this gender-affirming legislation, this country has moved to conservatism, and the Supreme Court, the ultimate decision makers, have a very conservative bend towards this and are pro-states. DEI is important, and DEI, until we reach a colorblind society, regardless we disagree or not, but if we're not a colorblind society, then diversity, equity, inclusion is a really important component to giving everyone a fair opportunity who's qualified, if you will. Now, having said that, here again, Supreme Court has rendered its decision. I don't think there's a conservative move. What it is the Supreme Court says DEI is essentially unlawful.
What do you make of
or inappropriate? So you're going to get there. You're just going to get there now through the economics and using race-neutral terms of those who are the lower economic class and give them that money. And it's important because a lot of those students are persons of color.